And when we trade, this should always be our edge, right? Our edge is cutting losses quickly. All right, Eric? All right, so cutting losses quickly. So when the market goes against us, all right, our goal is to get out quickly, take a small loss. All right? If the market is working in our favor and we catch a trend, we want to stay in that trade as long as possible. So we want small losses, big wins, or good wins. Right? So our edge, and this should always be your edge. Right? So you need a process or a system, whether it's an automated process or a manual process, so that when you get when your process tells you to sell, you want to sell. Most traders do the opposite. Right? Most traders take big losses and small wins. All right? So we want to flip that. And that's the edge. Right? Small losses, big wins. And we need those big wins to pay for our small losses. So everything we go through here, you'll notice that our edge, right? Our edge is we have a process, a system in place. And the way we analyze the market is to get out quickly. When that market turns against us, right? Whether it's a stock, whether it's a currency pair, whether it's the market in general, right? We went to the Dow, S&P, NASDAQ. When that market turns, we want to get out quickly. If it's continuing to trend, right? We follow the trend. We call it trend following. We follow the trend for maximum profit. Okay? All right, so that's your good question. Good question. Good question. That's the edge. And we always want to have an edge. When we trade, we need an edge, but we need to know what that edge is, okay? And in trading across the board, that's the key. Small losses, big wins, okay? Our US 30 traders, we do have a buy signal, all right, on the 60-minute time frame. So we had a lot of consolidation in here. All right, this one here, we haven't called a buy